So this is our view for the next 34 hours. We pulled in straight versus backing in like we normally do, but we would figured we would rather look at this.
Bunch of nasty old trucks.
Staring at trucks. Here in Daytona Beach, Florida.
We're at the Love's truck stop, I-95 and exit 273. And I had read a lot of bad reviews about this, and it looks like the guys just came in during bike week. And it was packed, I guess, which is to be expected. A lot of drivers, hell, some drivers haul motorcycles with them. You know, so, but today is a Saturday. We got in here about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, pulled right in. We got a nice parking spot. I mean, there are a lot of restaurants here you could walk to. I do know from being in this Love's previous that it was a little dirty, not kept. But
we'll see.
whatever.
We'll do a picture because we're going to take a shower later on.
I mean, we are going to use this to sleep in the truck, take showers. We're going to go into Daytona Beach Boardwalk tonight, take an Uber in there, and we'll probably go to the beach, Ormond, which is closer tomorrow, lay out on the beach or whatever. So we just want showers, so we could really care less.
Right next door, there's a barbecue joint, and then what was that one?
Hooligan Sports
like
Bar.
Hooligan Sports Bar, right here. So
there's
that's
a lot
great.
of motels, so if you wanted to, you know,
Harley Davidson store right next door. Yep. So they say patience is a virtue. I'm sitting and waiting to get a shower here at the Love's. Sometimes they work on their own time. Most Love's are generally clean. Arby's.
I'm kind of freaking out now.
So this is the Love's Truck Stop bathroom in Daytona Beach. It's clean, a little bit of mold down here, but they are completely remodeling the bathroom, so we give them a break. Alrighty. So we are walking over here to a barbecue place. Walked a little ways and we're walking over here to
Colt's Barbecue, I believe.
Colt's Barbecue, Daytona Beach. Sounds like they've got a lot going on.
The Harley shop.
Oh, it's a Harley shop next door.
They've got like 2 hotels, Harley shop.
So we're gonna, there's a little bit of a breeze, which is making the walk a little bit nice, but not too far of a walk. Looks like there's another trucker walking this way. Go check out what's going on. Oh my goodness, there's a ton of motorcycles over here. You'll have to check out this barbecue truck too. Amazing. Check that barbecue truck out. I never seen one so big. Maybe if we walk on the other side, we'll get a better picture of it.
This is waving.
Such an easy walk. Literally, the Love's Truck Stop is right behind this building here. And I guess Harley has its own hotel. We'll walk down to Harley Davidson here directly. Go check out what's going on. Now that's a truck. Take you on inside. Check this place out. So we come up here, it's like Dave's Sweet Toast. Corn nuggets. Yum. All right, I got the Burt Inn barbecue sandwich, kind of cool. They did a little stamp on it. Coleslaw, brisket, and pork with some macaroni and cheese and jalapenos. Husband got the platter. Looks real good. And these little guys, corn nuggets. I did a video on these, the making corn nuggets. We're going to try theirs out. So let's try these corn nuggets out. They're good. I did a video. You'll have to check it out of the video. They're super easy to make. These are a little bit smaller, but same concept, and they put powdered sugar on them. So we just checked out the Datona Harley Davidson. Bought a couple bikes. They're going to be shipped home here directly. Ha ha ha. And now back to the truck.
So we want to go check out ice cream?